Hi guys, this is Keshaka, your spiritual guide and tarot reader, and today we've gathered here to do a pick a card reading. Not necessarily a pick a card, but like a yes, no, maybe, and timeline question. It's a little different, so you do have groups, and you might be wondering why I'm sitting with all these balloons. That's because these balloons are your 4 groups. I have already pre-channeled the timelines and written them on the back of the balloon for each of the groups, and then we're just going to be doing a yes no pendulum, and in case I get any intuitive message, then I will share the same with you. This is not as easy as it seems for me when I thought of it initially, so I'm going to be sitting with these balloons while you all choose them. Okay, balloon number 1 is this confused emoticon, and that is group number 1. Group number 2 is this wink tongue out smiley balloon. Group number 3 is the dollar sign balloon. Group number 4 is this big face smiley emoticon balloon. Okay, so I'm gonna like stand right like this in statue for a bit. Choose your balloon and that's your pile, and let's see what comes. Oh yes, and think of a question obviously, because this is like an any question reading. So you can think of any question and you can just like close your eyes or keep them open, whatever. Pick your favorite emoticon, whatever you feel drawn to, the number you like, the balloon you like. Just choose one of them, whatever calls you out more. And if you have multiple questions, you can think of different questions. You can pause this, think of one question, choose a group, think of the next, choose a group, and then listen to all the answers based on the groups that you select for that question. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys at the reading. Hi group number 1, welcome to your reading. You chose the confused emoticon balloon, so maybe this is something that you have been confused about or that you are confused about. And we're going to, I'll reveal the timeline at the end of the reading. Let's see what's the answer to your question, okay? So, what is the answer to group number 1's question, Pendulum? It's a yes, okay, but it's a very hesitant yes. It's in line with the energy of the emoticon you chose. There is some hesitation here, there is some not confusion per se, but doubt in going ahead with whatever this is or on the answer by itself. Also, I feel like this has something to do with just your attachment to a certain state of being, or just your sort of lack of complete trust and faith in your own destiny or the greater good, or that everything will work out for the best. A crown chakra clearing meditation would be helpful for you guys. Crown chakra meditations are very powerful, so if you don't do meditations often, then just do like a small light one. And you could also check out the crown chakra healing meditation reel that I have put up on my Instagram handle. The link to it is below, because that's short and it's just like 30 seconds, so it'll like cleanse it, and you can watch it how much ever you want, like how many ever times, but it's not going to be too much for you, okay? Because crown chakra meditations, if you're not a regular meditator, can result in headaches, really bad ones. So like do the clearing meditation on YouTube, whatever, or you can check out like the reel and keep it limited, and if you feel any uneasiness, then discontinue it, okay? And just do very little of it, like very little, just to like cleanse it a little, but you do need a little crown chakra cleansing. Cool. So when is this gonna happen? In, I don't know if you can see it, but it says in 4 days or 4 weeks. So this is gonna start within a month for sure, and it could also start in 4 days. Don't be so scared and hesitant, and trust in the greater good and that everything works out for the best. I really hope this helped you, and do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know if you love such short readings and if you have any other topics that I can do, or if you like the longer ones, whatever you feel, whatever your views. Just keep sharing, keep liking, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 2, welcome to your reading. I hope I've picked the right balloon for group number 2, but like this is group number 2, okay? And we're going to reveal the timeline at the end. You can think of your question again one more time while I channel your answer through the pendulum. So, what is the answer to group number 2's question? Let it go, group number 2. Stop asking. I think this is a question that you've been asking again and again, and I think there's a little like flirtiness or fun along with it, and you feel like, you know, you can get an answer to it. I think like some of you might know that this is something that time will reveal in itself, and you cannot get an answer to right now. And if you're attempting to like get an answer, then no, you're not going to be successful at it, at like trying to get people to get an answer or whatever. So stop asking this question on like lots of picker cards, or just asking readers that. Or can we give a clear answer to their question? No, sweeties, you have to ask another time, and I feel like more than that, it's wait for the right time for you guys, and things will reveal itself. And let's see when that will happen. In 2 months. Some more patience and keep up the spirit and the light-hearted just way of being till then, and in 2 months you will have the answer to your question. This is like the universe really wants to surprise you, and destiny wants to surprise you. So like, you're either just being naughty by asking the same question and again hoping you get another answer, or you're just like trying your luck each time, trying to get an answer to it, and you've been told a million times that you're not going to get this answer. So yeah, you can keep at it, or you can just chill, but the answer will reveal itself in like 2 months. I hope this reading helped you guys, and if you like such readings, if you have any fun ideas, topics, questions, anything that I can do to make it fun and interesting for you and for me to record these readings and get these messages for you, then please do let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay in touch, and I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Until then, bye-bye. Hi, group number 3, welcome to your reading. You guys are the money pile. You chose the dollar struck smileys. So maybe this is a career question, maybe it's a work question, maybe you're eyeing a lottery, or maybe you're looking to see how or when you'll get rich or earn money, or maybe you're asking about a person who's going to enter into your life and buy loads of gifts, and like you're going to go shopping very soon, you're just going to get like rich, or you know, if this is even about like buying property or anything of that sort, then it totally makes sense. Or if it's a house related question, whatever, like it's financial related at some level, and if it's not, then whatever the situation is sort of going to have a financial impact on your life. Okay, now let's see what the answer to this is. Stay there, balloons, stay there. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is a lot tougher than I thought. What is the answer to group number 3's question? There is no answer. And group number 3, I recorded this for the second time because I got interrupted the first time. So there genuinely is no answer. Like the pendulum is not even moving, it's dead. Okay, so why is there no answer? Because whatever this is, it could happen anytime now. Okay, so just like look out for it, be on the watch out. Whatever this is, it's gonna happen anytime now, and I feel like you're gonna be happy, and it's gonna give you some financial comfort or stability. It seems like it, or you're gonna get some gift if you're asking about something that's not related to finances, and maybe someone's gonna give you a gift like super soon, anytime now. And do let me know if that happens or what the situation was regarding, and if there's anything you'd like to share. Please like, share, subscribe if you liked the video and if it was fun to watch, and if you have any other fun ideas that I could make videos on, I would love to do that for you. And I just love doing this in general for you guys, and it's so much fun for me as well. So keep watching, keep showing your love, and stay in touch. I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye. Group number 4, welcome to your reading. I feel like some of you guys might have asked one more question, or you might have another question in mind. So if that is the case, select another file or look for another yes no video on the channel. There are lots that are there, and get that question answered over there. But like whatever your primary question is, think of that, and we're going to begin with that. Okay, so wow. Are you like, whatever this question is, maybe like some of you are keeping it a secret, or maybe like you're a little sneaky about it, or maybe there's something you're hiding, okay? Or there's something someone is hiding in this situation or with regards to this question. And something's very amusing, like the face also you're selected is like a very amused, happy face, okay? So let's see what the answer to your question is. What's the answer to group number 4's question, pendulum? I'm getting a maybe for you guys. Okay, so the answer to your question is maybe, and the timeline that we're getting is 5 to 10 days and at max 15. Okay, so it's like it's mostly 15 days, or maybe it's a date 15th, and if this is something long term, then you can take like 15 months as well, that I'm getting right now. If it's like a very very long term thing, but most of you it's like days. Okay, so it's 5 to 10 days, at max 15 days, and I don't think it's 15 weeks for anyone. So if it's like, it could, if not 15 days, then for like few like 3% or so is like 15 months, but most of you it's gonna get done in a few days, and you get clarity on the situation. Or right now it's a maybe, so whatever it is, give it a shot, stay excited, and maybe it will turn out like you want it to. I really hope you enjoyed this reading. Do let me know if you have any other fun ideas or topics that I could do videos on, and if there's anything else you'd like to see, I would love for you to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that we can stay in touch. And please like, share the content with whoever you think will enjoy it as well. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, those are linked in the description box below, and so is my email ID, and you could reach out on either of the 3 platforms if you're looking for a private reading, and I would love to hear from you. Until next time then, bye bye, take care, I'll see you next time.